We have included some new information to allow you to have a better idea of how to fill in your template. So once you're in Data Navigator and you have selected your configuration, when you click on the Download Template button, you're going to see the Excel template, but you're going to find that there are a few additional notes. So there will tell you how you should fill in each of the sheets. And in addition, some of them, for example, here in transport cost data, you not only have a few notes of how to do it, but you have a link. So once you click, for example, in the link to the community tutorial, you will be redirected to how to use the different functionalities of transport cost data in this case.